Welcome to the STOPKiT temporary online installation video. After you've selected the appropriate STOPKiT according to the pipe diameter, the size of the leak, and the oil, gas, or water pressure, open the box to find the various bolts, nuts, belts, and the rubber patch. You'll find 2 additional belts in the box for diameters larger than 12 inches. The number of bolts and nuts will vary according to the number of belts. To assemble the belts, you simply screw the bolts into the metallic bars. Be sure that the rubber patch is centered in the smallest belt. With 1 or more belts assembled, the STOPKiT is now ready to be installed. For online installation, you must use the STOPKiT positioner. Center the arrows on the leak and secure with the magnetic pads. Release the arrows and slide the STOPKiT into the dedicated slits. The STOPKiT positioner will keep the patch in fit position. You can now start to tighten the STOPKiT using key ratchets. To ensure an equal tightening, we suggest you twist a count of 10 on the right bolt and then a count of 10 on the left bolt until firmly secure. You can now easily remove the STOPKiT positioners. For optimal tightening, use a torque wrench set to 40 Newton meters. For the last step, install the 2 anti-vibration nuts included in your STOPKiT. The leak is now stopped, and your STOPKiT can handle up to 80 bars or 1,160 psi of pressure. Contact us for more information, and thanks for watching.